Ants are some of the most fascinating and highly organized creatures on Earth. Despite their small size, they exhibit complex behaviors and social structures, making them a subject of scientific curiosity for centuries. Below are some amazing facts about ants that highlight their unique abilities and characteristics. Ants are older than dinosaurs. Ants have been around for a very long time. Scientists believe they first appeared on Earth about 140 million years ago, during the early Cretaceous period. This means they existed long before dinosaurs went extinct, and they have survived various mass extinctions and climate changes over millions of years. Ants are everywhere. Ants are found on every continent except Antarctica. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and they thrive in almost all ecosystems. From rainforests to deserts, ants have adapted to live in a wide variety of habitats, making them one of the most widespread insects on Earth. Ant colonies have queens. Most ant colonies are ruled by a queen ant, whose primary role is to reproduce. The queen lays thousands of eggs, ensuring the colony's survival and growth. In some species there may be multiple queens, but generally the workers and soldiers in the colony are all sterile females, while males, known as drones, have the sole purpose of mating with the queen. Ants are super strong. Ants are incredibly strong for their size. They can lift and carry objects that are 50 times their body weight. This strength is due to their small size, as smaller animals generally have proportionally stronger muscles compared to larger animals. This strength helps them carry food, build nests, and protect their colonies. Ants have complex social structures. Ant colonies function like highly organized societies. They have different jobs or roles within the colony. Worker ants gather food, soldier ants defend the colony, and the queen lays eggs. Communication is vital for their coordination, and ants use pheromones, chemical signals, to convey messages about food sources, threats, and more. Some ants farm and raise livestock. One of the most surprising facts about ants is that certain species practice agriculture. For example, leafcutter ants cut leaves and bring them back to their nests, where they use the leaves to cultivate fungus, which is their primary food source. Additionally, some species of ants tend to aphids, small insects that produce a sweet substance called honeydew. The ants protect the aphids from predators in exchange for feeding on the honeydew. Ants are excellent communicators. Ants rely on their sense of smell to communicate and navigate the world. They use pheromones to leave chemical trails that other ants can follow. For example, when a worker ant finds a food source, it leaves a pheromone trail leading back to the colony so other ants can locate the food. They also use pheromones to signal danger or mark territory. Ants are remarkable creatures with incredible strength, adaptability, and social complexity. They possess unique abilities that highlight their evolutionary success. For instance, certain species of ants demonstrate remarkable teamwork by constructing living bridges. When faced with a gap they cannot cross, these ants link their bodies together, allowing others to walk across. This phenomenon is often seen in army ants, known for their nomadic lifestyle and collective hunting techniques. Another fascinating aspect of ants is their collective intelligence, or swarm intelligence. Although individual ants have limited capabilities and short lifespans, their collective actions enable them to solve complex problems, such as finding the shortest path to a food source or defending their nest against invaders. This collective intelligence has even inspired human technologies like artificial intelligence and robotics. Some species of ants are known for their aggressive behavior. Army ants, for example, are notorious for their large-scale raids, where millions of ants can overwhelm and kill prey much larger than themselves. Fire ants, another aggressive species, use their painful stings to defend their nests and territories. Ants are also incredibly resilient. Certain species can survive underwater by entering a state of suspended animation. Fire ants can form rafts with their bodies to survive floods, floating on water for weeks to keep their queen and larvae safe. Moreover, in species like the Matabele ants, injured ants are not left behind. After battles or raids, these ants carry their wounded back to the nest, where they receive care that includes licking their injuries to reduce infection and improve survival chances. Ants are also excellent navigators, capable of solving complex mazes to find food. Using a combination of pheromone trails, landmarks, and an acute sense of smell, they can quickly adapt to new challenges in their environment. In conclusion, ants' ability to work together, communicate, and build sophisticated colonies makes them one of the most fascinating species on Earth. Their impact on ecosystems and their collective problem-solving abilities underscore their remarkable evolutionary success.